Do it. It's all clean. You gotta make sure it's all clean.
Oh god. Oh, come on, come on.
He's gonna burn. He's gonna burn like a motherfucker. Hey, it's not clean up. I still see some.
No,
really?
It's good. It's good. Let it go. He got it on the lip.
You're a lying sack of shit. Come on, give it up. He's crying.
I started to see his eyes watery.
It's hot, dude.
Her laughing goes through a tear.
There's the coffee dust coming out.
Oh my god, it's gonna grow a tear.
It's still burning.
It's gonna grow a tear.
Holy crap.
You're gonna grow a tear.
I'm not going near this.
1 minute and 12 seconds.
Come on. Hold it.
If you want that $3 so bad, you gotta hold it in. All I'm saying is, you want that drink now. A nice ice cold drink that can easily wash away.
He's water. His eyes are so fucking watery.
That cold drink.
Look at the eyes.
Breeze. Think about the ice cold breeze just clearing that heat away.
Bet your lips are burning, huh?
Oh yeah.
Inside's burning.
Oh yeah.
I could literally
So
do
cold.
probably about 5
Oh,
of those.
Draven, it feels so cold. Yeah, I love
I
it.
should have ordered my burn
Oh
with
yeah, it's so
later on
cold.
it.
Right, it's so cold. So
Come on.
very cold.
Oh, wait more.
It's so cold. So good.
He's at 50-some seconds.
So cold.
Oh,
Cold.
yeah, see it die.
Ice.
40 seconds left.
I feel like you read that. Ice, cold as ice.
It's reaching my inside. Oh, it hurts.
It reaching my penis.
It hurts.
Reaching my penis.
It hurts.
Think about it right now. It's so hot right now, it's burning your dick off. And think about it, you ain't gonna get no girl when it burns off.